Hey friends, welcome back to Mani Maker. If you just got your new Cricut Explore 3 and are getting easily intimidated by where to start, don't worry, I've got you covered in this video. If you need one-on-one assistance, feel free to contact us through the numbers displayed on the screen. Otherwise, you can simply follow me along. Start by taking your Cricut Explore 3 out of the box, removing all the packages material. Double check that you've got all the accessories that came with your machine. Find a flat, stable spot for your Cricut somewhere close to the power outlet. Grab the power cord, plug it into the back of the machine, then connect the other end to the power outlet. Next up, we need to download Cricut Design Space. Open your browser and head to design.cricut.com/setup. Follow the instructions on the screen to download and install the software on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch Cricut Design Space and click on Product Setup. Your browser will take you to Cricut ID creation page. Fill in the required information and click Create Cricut ID. After signing in, you will see a notification pop up at the top of your browser. Click on Open to launch the Cricut app. Select the first option to set up your machine and click on Continue. If you're finding this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Mani Maker for more Cricut tutorials and crafting tips. Choose your specific machine model and click on Continue. You'll see a series of on-screen prompts. Just click on the right arrow to move through them. Select your preferred connection type and click on Continue. Select Continue one more time. Now grab the USB cable that came with your machine. Connect one end to the USB cable and at the back of your Cricut and plug the other end to your computer. Press the open button on the left side of your machine to lift the lid. Then remove any packaging material and tape inside. Press the power button to turn on your machine. Head back to your computer and follow the remaining on-screen instructions to finish your setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.